So this just showed up at the shop and I figured it was something worth sharing. And normally a lifted vehicle isn't something you'd see on our page, but this one's got a little special secret. Why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm Steve. I own a little waspy Jeep, and this is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator.
So why don't you show us the party piece? That is so cool. So this is Accuair's new system for, is it Jeep, just the pickups, the Gladiators?
Gladiators and the JLs, the newest model of the Jeep Wrangler.
And this gives you about 10 inches of travel?
Yeah, I've measured 10 inches of travel on it.
You mind airing that thing back up again? I don't know if everyone's gonna believe this. So this is, being Accuair, everything is designed with the height sensors in mind. You can see all of the bracketry and everything is included. Everything's just essentially a full bolt-on. You said you had to drill 2 mounting holes for this panhard relocation?
Yeah.
And that's it, huh?
Just those 2 little bolts.
Everything else just dropped in. So you can see the compressor tucked up in there on some nice little isolators on a bolt-on bracket. I'll take you around over here. I'll show you the air tank and manifold. They include the ECU mount and everything right there under the seat. If we go underneath, that bracket is included. Has the, let me dip a little further, has the manifold, aluminum tank. So basically you bolt in the suspension, bolt in the bags, bolt in these brackets, and run your airlines and power wires, and you're all set, right?
Yep.
Oh, they include that too?
It even came with this.
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, I saw that under. So right there, you got a quick connect, so you can use the tank for filling up tires or. Wow.
Off-roading and air down.
Sway bar disconnects for the front. That is too trick. Yeah, go for it. Super cool. And that's all the way down, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah, you can see it's sitting right at the bump stops. Look at that. Now you were saying also for loading, air the front up. Yeah. So you said this has a speed sensor built in or ties into the ECU, right? So at highway speeds, it'll drop down for better aerodynamics, better handling?
Yeah, if I'm running on setting 3, I've got the 3 presets.
Mm-hmm.
On setting 3, it'll at 25 mile an hour, it automatically drops to setting 2. That's my road height.
That's number 2.
That's number 2. If I want to, not the Jeep get any fuel economy, but a little better, I can actually drive it on setting 1.
Nice.
These are 40-inch tires on this thing too.
That's a lot of tire. Well, very cool. So we'll be adding the Accuair system to our website real soon here. Give Steve a follow. I'll link his Instagram down below. Is Instagram the best, your main social media of choice?
Instagram, Facebook, all of them.
Very cool. So we'll link to him and of course to Accuair. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely give us a holler. Hey, thanks for sharing, man. I appreciate that.